Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna see how to make an infinite loop like the one you're watching right now. This one I filmed about a few months ago, and this is what we're going to be making today. So let's get straight into the video. So what you have to do is take a video of an actor going from the bottom of the stairs all the way to the top of the stairs, just like this. Now take your footage to your video editing software and cut the parts before and after the part when the actor goes from the bottom of the stairs all the way to the top. Now duplicate your footage. And that's it, you're done. You have an infinite loop. Now you can just duplicate this as many times as you want, and that's it. That's the easy way. But there's another way, it's called the hard way, and it just makes the effect look way better than it is right now. I'm going to show you how to do that. Take your second shot and put it on the top layer. Then you can choose any video you want and put it on the bottom layer. So it should look something like this. So now you want to take your second shot and move it to the frame where you're just about to go off the screen. Now we want to make a mask and line it up in the center of the screen. Feather the mask. Now replace the black image with an image of your stairs. Now take your second layer, make a cut and bring the second part of your second layer to the bottom layer. Quite confusing. And that's it. Great. You just made your first infinite loop and it looks super amazing. Anyway, see you on the next video, guys. Hope this was entertaining for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.